Your questions, your phone, our team. That's the philosophy behind Collision Hub's Pic-A-Tech service. We recognize that as technicians, you don't have time to run to the office and go online every time you have a question on a repair. And that's why we've launched this easy-to-use service. All you have to do is text us your questions and we'll do the research for you, saving you valuable time. You can even send pictures or videos, and whenever possible, we'll send you pictures, videos, links, or articles back when we find the information. And it's not just OEM repair procedure questions. If you've got process or equipment questions, we can help guide you to the answers for those too, and all for under $40 a month. With the time it'll save you, Pic-A-Tech will pay for itself with just a couple of questions to our team of experts. We know you've got questions and we've got answers. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start getting the answers you need. Your questions, your phone, our team. Collision Hub's Pic-A-Tech.